Hello and welcome, I am the Danish Looter and today I'll be opening Arcade Block. So just before we get into this month's Arcade Block, I guess you noticed that I'm kinda missing something on my cheek, and that is right. I shaved off my beard, and that is because today it is the 1st of November, and as well, per some years ago, a thing started called Movember, and you're kind of supposed to, like in the spirit of people fighting cancer, show the sympathy and grow a mustache over the month of November, that is, and that is why it's called Movember. So I decided to join in, and that's why today, because it's the 1st of November, I shaved off everything, and yeah, we're kind of gonna see where it goes throughout the month. But that's why I look kind of weird. Yeah. But enough about that. Let's get into the box. I can't really remember if there was or if there is a theme for this month Arcade Block. So we just kind of gonna have to see what's inside and take a guess. So there we go, and there, throw that out. So we have a t-shirt which we're gonna wait with for last, so we're gonna put it right there, and we have some exciting items, and we're gonna start out with this one, which is a cap, and it is an Atari cap. That's actually pretty cool. It is a legit Atari brand right there. I look so stupid in a cap, but there we go. Am I street enough now? Yeah. Oh well. It's kind of neat though. It looks like it's got the old game thing on it with the brick down the bottom and the bricks on the top. I even believe the game was called Brick. Or Bricks. I can't remember. It's been some time, but heck, that's pretty cool. Getting something from Atari, that is. So nice. And next we have... oh! It's a Fallout Mystery Mini from Funko. I got one of these before in another box. I kind of like the figures. I'm not buying them myself, but I do like getting them in the box. The last one I got was from Supernatural, I believe. Yeah. So let's get into this. And oh yeah, maybe I'll should show you. Hello. This right here, you can see, well, if the camera would focus, you can see, oh come on, which ones you can get inside. I do not know a lot of these characters since I haven't played Fallout that much, but just gonna have to see. And here we have the blind box. And we got this guy, who kind of looks like me right now. Without the beard. So it does look like he's from the vault. Again, I do not know. Oh, hang on. I'm just gonna bring the box back. It's definitely the guy up in the corner right there. It doesn't say any names on it, so oh, and he's on the front as well. There we go. I'm guessing he's one of the main characters. Maybe he's the guy you run around with. I do not know, but oh, come on. Camera. Focus. Figure. There we go. He's pretty cool though. Oh, come on. Anyways. He does have his... Oh, what is it called? The thing on your arm. Can't even see it because of the camera. Oh well. A neat little figure. I'm gonna put it up on the shelf. So there we go. Next we have, and this looks pretty cool. Retro City Rampage DX. It looks like an old cartridge game. I bet it is a mashup. I don't know the gangster guy holding the gun, but the car and the doctor must be from Back to the Future. Dr. Emmett Brown. Is it focused? I can't even see. There we go. So that's kind of neat, and we have the back right here. You are the player. So I don't really know what this is. I guess it's like a game they made. It looks pretty cool. Hang on. Oh, what? So the box itself is empty, but there is a disc. Oh, it looks like a disc. High density compact disc. Superior graphic. Phonic sound. So there we go. So I guess this is a CD and you can install this game on your computer. The cool thing is the box though. I do not know if I'm ever going to install and play this. But it does look cool. It does look cool. So oh, there we go. Just gonna put it back right there. Awesome. Next up, oh whoa! It is Connect. I think it's Connect. I don't know, but it is Titanfall. It's kind of like Legos, but it's not Lego at all. It is like a building set, and I guess there's like 97 pieces in here, so that's kind of a lot. And we have it says something about limited edition on this guy over here, whatever that means. If it would focus. Wow. Really? No? No, not at all? Focus, limited edition. Anyways, here you see the back. There you go. So, I have played Titanfall quite a bit, and I found it quite interesting. It's kind of like a funny gameplay where you run around. It is an FPS, so it's a first-person shooter. For those of you who don't know that, and you can call down a Titan, which you can crawl into, and you get like a whole bunch of other like abilities for chance to kill people, and there's like a ton of game modes, capture the flag and whole points and whatever. It's kind of fun. So if you don't know that, go check it out. This one, I've gotten quite a few build sets. I believe 2 or 3 build sets. And I have never opened any one of them. I don't really have the time to connect all this, and even more, I don't have the space for it. So if I should build this, it will probably fill up a lot more than just this box. So for now, I'm just gonna keep the box and put it up on the shelf as it is. It kind of looks like that this was the last item besides the t-shirt. They do have another one of these things for the next box, so you can kind of read up on that, and if you're interested in any of this, then you can get the box. There we go. And yips, according to the card, this was the last item besides the t-shirt, and we're gonna check that out right now. There we go. That is a neat looking t-shirt right there. I don't know why the camera just changed color. It is a weird camera. I have never played this game either, but it is... Well, maybe it's because it's not out now. I actually don't know if it's out, but this is Black Ops 3. So, pretty cool t-shirt. Never played the game, not going to play it either, but nevertheless, quite a nice t-shirt though. So there we go. That was quite an interesting box. This is kind of like a weird item in the box. It takes up like a whole lot of space. They did a whole lot to make this box, and then it was empty besides the CD. That's kind of weird, I think, but yeah. Mystery Mini. Love the Mystery Minis. They're kind of cool, even though I don't know who this guy is in particular. Other than that he is from Fallout, so maybe you can help me out with it in the comment section below. The Atari cap, an awesome item to get, especially from Atari. I'm just not very good with caps, so yeah. Just gonna put it over there somewhere, and the Titanfall connects build set. Kind of a weird box setup. I don't think that these items have a special theme to them. it kind of just seemed like they're in the gaming category, which is the arcade block, so that makes sense, but it doesn't look like there's a special theme, so I don't know. But that was it for this month arcade block. I should probably tell you guys that I did unsubscribe to both the nerd block and the arcade block. Even though I found them quite interesting to receive every month, and I did enjoy indeed to open them. Yeah, I'm kind of shifting my focus, and I do want to collect a lot more Funko Pop figures, and I'm kind of like going over to do reviews of Funko Pop figures instead of subscription boxes. I will have, I believe, November and December boxes for Nerd Block and Arcade Block because I prepaid for them, so I will receive them until December at least, but from January starting next year I will probably not get them unless of course they will have a exclusive Funko Pop inside, and I just need to have it. And speaking of exclusive Funko Pop figures, I've heard about the Savvy box for a couple of months now, but wasn't so keen on their theme and the past boxes that they had, or the content of the boxes. But they announced that for the November box they will have an exclusive, and they did say which one it was, an exclusive Marty McFly on the hoverboard Funko Pop figure, and I had to have that one because that looks amazing. The pictures on the internet if you want to look that up, but I will be opening that on video in the next month, so you can look forward to that. Oh yeah, it is the 1st of November, but you still have about 8 hours, 9 hours left from this video is out, and until my giveaway contest, or just giveaway, I believe it's called, is ending. So you still have time. The giveaway is happening. I had a criteria for the giveaway, and that was that my channel here reached 50 subscribers total, and as now I think it's on 52, maybe 53. I can't remember. 50. It's enough. So the giveaway is happening, but you can still make it. The link is down in the description below. If it's not, then it's because you watched the video too late and the giveaway has ended. So there we go. But that was it for this month arcade block. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!